Hi everybody, welcome to She Shaves with Jill. I'm Jill. I'm going to get right into this video. This is the first time that I've had the opportunity since starting my YouTube channel, shaving YouTube channel, to do a shave mail unboxing. This one is going to be dedicated to Manny, and that's all I'm going to say about it. Dedicated to Manny from Socal Shaves. He'll know why. Love you, Manny. All right, let's get into it. It's like Christmas. Every time I get shave mail, I get so excited. This one, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, is from Stirling Soap Company. So let's get into it. Let me snip open this stuff. Boy, I'll tell you, some of these vendors are like me at Christmas time with... I should have got bigger scissors because I know how Stirling wraps everything. So, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. More scissor. More scissor. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come on. All right, it's almost here. All right, throw that away. And there's my invoice. And we've got Stirling Soap Company's business card right there. Rod and Mandy, great company, great people. All right, put that aside. Let's get to this invoice here. Okay, come on, open up. Now let's do a check off on the list. Let's see. Oh, okay, cool. Always personal notes. I love it that I get from Stirling. It says, "Thank you for your order, Jill!" Exclamation point. I had told them that I was creating a YouTube channel and I'd be featuring some of their products, and they said, looking forward to it and watching it. So thank you very much, Mandy and Rob. All right, one more thing to do. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on. They usually include in every order that I've made a sample of something, so I can't wait to see what they've sent. Oh my goodness, all this stuff. That stuff gets all over the place when I try to put it in the garbage and I miss. Oh my God. All right, so let's get that out of the way. Okay, there's so much stuff in here that it's so buried. But let me double check down below. I don't want to throw this away and find that there's product in it. Okay, that's out of the way. So now we got another thing to dig into. Come here, skizzers. All right, come on, come on. All right, let's put that down there. Let's get rid of that paper. Okay, let me line these up and see what we got. Okay, and yes, indeed, they did send a sample. And this particular one is Bergamot Lavender Bath Soap. Oh, goody. I can't wait to try that. Lavender Bergamot Shave Soap. Yum, yum, yum. I have a lot of other of their shave soaps, so I'll put that right back there with my other ones. Okie dokie. The first reveal is Sharp Dressed Man. I wonder, is this backwards? Huh. I don't know if you guys can even read that. Anywho, Sharp Dressed Man is a green Irish tweed, and it was made for Cary Grant and people like Robert Redford and not Chuck Norris, other celebrities have worn this. And Green Irish Tweed pretty much describes what it is. You can't really smell it through the shrink wrap that they do, which is a shame, and I'm not going to do it. Now, these samples that you can purchase, they're only $2.98, and it's a or $2.95 rather, and it's a very good way for you to sample a product before ordering a whole tub. And they are good 1 ounce samples, and they last a long time. Believe me, they last a long time, and their shipping prices are crazy. It's only $4.55 for shipping. It was for me, and that's 2-day express mail. So that's the Sharp Dressed Man. And next we have Margaritas in the Attic. Now, I did not, or Arctic rather, Margaritas in the Arctic. I did not buy the glacial version of this. I do have one of their glacials, and it's the glacial black cherry, and I'm telling you, that stuff is mentholated. This is mentholated, but it is not the glacial version. And ladies, or guys, do not get the lather from any of those glacial soaps near your bikini line. Just a warning. Not that I've done that before. The next one is pretty self-explanatory, and it is Orange Chill. This is another mentholated one. I did not get the glacial version, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Duh, orange, duh, chill. I don't think I have any straight up orange. No, I do. I have a fine l'orange from Fine, but this is a straight up orange. Okay, the next one is Autumn Glory. Now, Autumn Glory is they even say on their website that Autumn Glory is hard to describe. It is a woodsy scent, which I like I like a lot of different woodsy scents. They describe it as wet fallen leaves on a fall morning. But I'll have to find out what it smells like when I use it. But that's their description on their website. And last but not least is Executive Man. Now, the reason why I finally got Executive Man is because I love scents that smell like Aventus. Aventus is one of my favorite parfums to use. I love the scent of Aventus, and that's what that is. And I also had to get the aftershave balm for that, because I have a lot of different Aventus flavored soaps that I can use this balm with. So that's it. I just wanted to get this quick video up and show my first shave mail. And Manny, I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you guys Wednesday over at West Coast Shaving. I'm doing a spotlight video for them on next Wednesday, so I hope you'll go over there and check that out. And I got more videos to come. Thank you very much, and thank you for support. If you haven't already done so, please do me a favor. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and hit that little dingy-dongy thingy so that when I post a video, it'll alert you that I got another one up. Yay, I got to go over and watch Jill. So again, thank you from the bottom of my heart from She Shaves with Jill. Bye-bye.